Welcome back. So still on complex number. Now let's solve this example together. The question says given that z1 equals to 6 into bracket cos 210 degree plus I sine 210 degree. Then z2 equals to 3 into bracket cos 30 degree plus I sine 30 degree. Then z3 is given as 3 into bracket cos 60 degree plus I sine 60 degree. Find Roman numeral 1, z1, z2. Roman numeral 2, z1 over z2. Roman numeral 3, z3 multiplied by z2, then Roman numeral 4, z1 over z3. Now, using the knowledge of what we proved in the previous video, if you are just joining us, please don't forget to always click below this video. When you will see a playlist below this video, click on the playlist. It will take you to list of what the videos we've done on complex number. So with the help of you watching those videos, it will give you the knowledge of what we want to do in this particular video. You get? So we want to, from the formula we prove under multiplication of polar form of complex number and division of polar form of complex number. With the knowledge of those formula, that's what we want to use here. Now, for Roman numeral 1, I was told to look for Z1, Z2, right? Z1, Z2. So, okay, before we even solve, let's recall those formula from what we proved. Let's recall. Now, recall that the formula for Z1, when we prove Z1, Z2, the formula was what? R1, R2 into bracket cos. That will give us what? That's cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sine theta 1 plus theta 2, right? Then what is the one for division? When we prove for division, Z1 over Z2 was given as what? R1 over R2. Then what did we now get? We got cos theta 1 minus theta 2. Then plus I sine theta 1 minus theta 2. You know, this was what we got in the proving we did, right? So if you don't know how we arrive at this proving, make sure you click on the playlist. It will take you to the list of the videos we've done on complex number. Now, going to Roman numeral 1, using the knowledge of this formula, I was told to look for Z1, Z2. So what's my Z1? My Z1 is given as what? 6, then into bracket cos 210 plus I sine 210, right? Then multiply by Z2. What's my Z2? My Z2 is what? 3 cos 30 degree plus I sine 30 degree, right? Now, Z1 multiplied by Z2. So, using the knowledge of this multiplication, what do we say? We say R1 will multiply R2. What's our R1? This is our Z1. This is for our R1 for Z1, right? Then this is our R2 for Z2. So, what will you say? You say 6 multiplied by 3. You get? Then, what do you now do? You say into bracket cos. Now, this is just like theta 1. This is just like theta 2. What do you now say? You say cos 210 plus 30 degree, right? Then plus I sine. You say 210 degree plus 30 degree. Do you get? So what is it going to give us? That will give us what? 6 times 3 is 18, right? And that will be cos. Here will be 240 degree plus I sine 240 degree. So this is our answer. Now, you can go further by converting it to what? To radian. You know, it is in degree. You can go further by putting your answer in what? In radian. Now, conversion from this 240 degree to radian, what is it going to give us? Using the knowledge of the previous video of conversion from degree to radian, I told you it is what? That will be 240 degree multiplied by pi over 180, right? 180 degree. So what can go in 240 and can go in 180? That will be what? That will be 60, right? Is it 60? So let's try 60. So let's do 60. 60 in 240 will give us what? Will give us 4. Then 60 in this will give us what? 60 in 180 will give us what? 3. Right? 60 in 180 will give us what? 3. So what will be our answer? That will be 4 pi over 3. So meaning that I can put my answer in form of, okay, I can say, let me leave my answer in form of 18. Then that will be cos 4 pi over 3, right? Then plus I sine 4 pi over 3. So I can choose to leave my answer like this. And that's how you get Z1, Z2. I hope you understand. So it's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Now, I'll solve for Roman numeral 2 while you do for Roman numeral 3 and Roman numeral 4. So you can drop your answer in the comment section and let us see. If you don't understand, reach out to us. We're always willing to explain better. So this is only for what? For Roman numeral 1. So going to Roman numeral 2. So you can take a screenshot of it or you can pause the video. Now, going to Roman numeral 2 now. Roman numeral 2 says what? Z1 over Z2, right? So what's our Z1? Our Z1 is what? 6 into bracket cos 210 degree plus I sine 210 degree. Then everything over. What's our Z2? 3 cos 30 degree plus I sine 30 degree. Now, using the formula of the division of polar form of complex number. So what do we do? That will be Z1 over Z2 will now be, this is our R1, this is our R2. That will be 6 over 3. Then what do you now do to this part? Then that will be cos. That will now be what? This is theta 1, this is theta 2. So that will be 210 degree minus what? 30 degree. Then plus I sine. That will be 210 degree minus 30 degree. So what are we going to have? 6 divided by 2 will give us what? 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Then here will now be cos. 210 minus 180 will give us what? Will give us 180, right? That's cos 180 degree plus I sine 180 degree. So I can choose to leave my answer like this, or I can choose to further what? Put it in form of radian. Now, conversion of this 180 degree to radian will be what? It's in degree. That will be 180 degree multiplied by pi over 180 degree, right? 180 will cancel y. What are we having? Pi. So it means my answer will be what? 2. Then that will be cos pi plus I sine pi, right? And this is my answer for Z1 over Z2. See, it's very, very simple. So try for Z3, Z2, and try for what? Z1 over Z3. It's still the same thing. Using this same formula, just apply it. So it's just very, very simple. If you don't understand, reach out to us. We're always willing to explain. Thank you.